Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can add a blog to your Squarespace website through mobile. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in Squarespace mobile and just click here on Pages. When you're going to in Pages, you just want to simply click Add. When you're going to be here, you want to click Collections, Blog. Now here you want to write a blog here, I don't know, our new blog. Click Find, and when you're going to be here, click on it and click right top corner. You can go to settings if you want to. Page title, name it. You can also post per page, add a password here, and then click plus here. Now when you're going to be here, it's going to load. This is like our first blog that we are going to have. So first we can enter post title, how to make money, and then I can write here money machine and click find. If you want to, I just want to show you something. You can also click plus here and you can simply add a text. You can add a video, line, audio, card, poster, gallery. You can really choose what you want, or like literally everything, social links. Really simple. See, like this. And that's pretty much it. Click OK. Save and publish. And now let's go back. And voila, here we have it. So you can also add image if you want to, etc. But this is pretty much it how we do it. You can go on site styles and change the site styles here. And yeah. Thank you very much, everybody. And have a great day and goodbye. And you can also add image here to change the photo of your blog. And this is pretty much it how we do it. I don't know what else should I show you here, guys, because it's that much simple. So yeah, goodbye.